Okay, so we're going to start at the heart because that's the easiest way to start. So right here we have the brachiocephalic trunk, and we know that because it goes to the head, brachio, and then, no, brachio is the arm, and then cephalic, the head. So right here we have our great carotids, and then right next to it, if you look really closely, you can see the vagus nerve. Okay, right here, that little white part. And then breaks off into the subclavian, the axillary, and then the brachial. And then for the veins, same kind of concept. We have the subclavian veins, not trunk. And then, it's kind of hard to see on this one, but there's two jugulars. It's kind of mutilated a little bit. So there should be two jugulars that go up. And then there's the transverse right here. Right there. And then same thing, subclavian, axillary, brachial. Okay? If you look at the superior vena cava, right off of it, we have the Zagos vein. And then we follow it down into the superior vena cava. And right here is the diaphragm, so then we follow this down. This is where your hiatus will be, so that goes into the diaphragm. Those holes are the hiatus. And then, sorry, I need to look at the list. Okay, so right here is the renal and the gonadal. They branch off. Sorry, I'm missing something. Inferior mesocentric are in these areas. Then we gotta find the stomach, which leads to the gastric. And then go down into the legs. Here we can find the common iliac right here, and then the external, and then the internal, and then we get lower. We find the femoral right here. And then the deep femoral is obviously deep. And then we've got the femoral, and then the popliteal meets at the knee. Did I miss something? The phrenic nerve, which is the other nerve you guys should be able to identify, follows down. This is it, right here. That's the phrenic nerve. Okay, so vagus nerve up here, phrenic nerve down here. So just remember that it follows behind, back here, and then it goes down into the abdomen. Okay. Everybody good on that? Okay, that's the gonadal or the ovarian, and then these down here are the sacral that go right down the middle. Okay. Good?